Thinking of selling your home? Here's something smart you can do before that for sale sign goes up. Get a pre list home inspection. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that the buyer's job? And yes, traditionally it is. But savvy sellers are flipping the script, and here's why that's a power move. Reason number one, you're more likely to get a firm offer. When a buyer sees a recent professional inspection report up front, they're more comfortable making a firm offer without a home inspection condition. Reason number two, it puts you in control. A pre listing inspection lets you find out what's going on with your home before the buyers do. That way, you can make repairs proactively or simply be prepared with pricing and disclosure. No surprises equals no drama. Reason number three, it reduces last minute negotiations. When buyers find problems during their inspection, they often come back with a list of requests or they try to negotiate the price down. But if they already knew that the roof had 5 years left or the furnace was on its last legs because your inspection told them, they're more likely to factor that into the offer from the start, not after the deal is signed. Reason number four, it shows buyers you're transparent and confident. Providing an inspection report builds trust. It says, here's everything you need to know, no secrets. That kind of transparency can go a long way when buyers are comparing homes. Now let's pause for a second and answer this. What exactly do home inspectors look at and why does it matter? Home inspectors review the structure and systems of your home, including the roof, to check for age, wear, or potential leaks, foundation and basement, to flag cracks, moisture issues, or structural concerns, plumbing systems, to identify leaks, corrosion, or water pressure problems, electrical panels and outlets, to ensure safety and code compliance, heating and cooling systems, to evaluate age, function, and efficiency, windows, doors, and insulation for energy efficiency and proper sealing, appliances and ventilation systems to make sure everything works and vents safely. Buyers want to know that they're not walking into a money pit. An inspection helps them assess what's normal aging versus what might need attention soon. When you show that your home has been reviewed and maintained, it gives them peace of mind and often a reason to offer more confidently. Reason number five, it helps your realtor market the home. If the inspection highlights things like a newer roof, upgraded wiring, or a dry basement, those are huge selling points. Your agent can use them in marketing materials to attract serious buyers and set your home apart. Bottom line, a pre-list home inspection is a small upfront investment that can lead to a smoother sale, fewer surprises, and stronger offers. So if you're thinking of listing, consider getting the inspection done first. It's one of the smartest moves a seller can make.